What's up, you guys? It's Tamara Michelle. Welcome back to my channel. I am coming back with a cleaning video today, y'all. I need the motivation myself, y'all. I haven't been doing a lot of cleaning videos because I hadn't been motivated, and then I've been more so on our family vlog channel. If you're not following our family vlog channel, I will leave that information right here. We would love to have y'all over there. So I said, you know what, it's time, but I'm trying to jump back into that. So if you clicked on my video, my channel for the first time, welcome, you guys. I hope that you enjoy this video and this channel enough to hit that subscribe button. If you have been rolling with me for a while with everything that's on my channel, I really appreciate you guys. Thank y'all for coming back for another video. Briefly on my channel, y'all, is a hodgepodge of me. So that's pretty much what it is. So while you all may not watch every type of video, whether it's the cleaning or the hair, some come for the hair, some come for the cleaning, DIYs, whatever the case may be, I appreciate you guys for just coming here. Okay, so in today's video, I'm gonna attempt, I'm a little tired, not feeling too good, but I need to start this process, y'all. My kitchen. I'm attempting to do, look at that. So I'm attempting to do a kitchen deep clean. If you've been following me for a while, then you know that I have white cabinets. It's kind of light in here. So I'm attempting to do a deep clean video of my kitchen because it needs it. Of course, clean up what we've had from lunch today or whatever, and all of this stuff, get this stuff squared away. And then I need to focus on these cabinets. I don't know how it's viewed on camera. Hold on, you guys. I don't know how it's viewed on camera, but they are pretty bad. You can kind of see, you know, some little stuff right in here, and it just does not look good in person. And then I also need to scrub my floors. Not mop, but I need to scrub them. So I'm gonna attempt to do this. Like, what is that? You know what I'm saying? So my husband and I usually will tackle something like this together, but he's at work. So I was like, well, I'll start on it. Make sure right. I'll start on it or whatever since I'm here. It's 4 o'clock, like on a Saturday. I really don't want to do this, but I need to at least start. So if I don't finish it all today, this will probably be a 2-part video, but I'm hoping that I can get it done today in max 2 hours. So let's get to cleaning, y'all.
That maybe he ain't worth it. Too bad I hate advice. 'Cause out of sight and out of mind is perfect. It's so hard to decide. Oh, I know he got me good in his pocket. I know that I'm just a treat. Well, the taste is better. At me like I know what he's thinking, but I don't have a clue. True talent in avoiding conversation, yeah. It's all
Yeah. See, that's how I start cleaning. Like, I start doing something and then it turns into something else. My son's in there playing the game down here, by the way. But this cabinet right here, because I went to put up dishes, it's like now it's got my attention. So even if I don't get to the floors today, I just want to throw all this stuff away. Like, all this stuff. I'm so sick of this Tupperware and all that kind of stuff in here. So I'm about to go through it. As soon as I get the counters, I'm about to clean the counters and stuff off. And as soon as I get through with that, I'm gonna go through this cabinet because it will beat you up trying to put stuff up when you're putting dishes up. And then you can't really find anything that you're looking for or whatever. So I know on the list is to get more Tupperware. We don't need this much, we really don't. So I'm gonna condense it and I know what I'm gonna get, and then hopefully it'll be half of this, if not more, when I get done. My son is so loud. When I get done with this.
Taste my breath and love me like you love a pack of smokes in the morning. Share my lipstick, taste my breath and love me like you love a pack of smokes in the morning. One for the pain, no hesitation, took us we can, nothing can save us, yeah. I just wanna be around you, I just wanna be free for the night, all in or nothing, not gonna stop, dance till the morning light. I just wanna be around you, I just wanna be around you, I just wanna be around you. Wide awake is the way that you left me, side by side in your car in the backseat. Wide awake is the way that you left me, oh. Now it's clear we are here back at your house, and I keep fading into the background. I'm wide awake, now you keep missing out for sure. Take down your walls and let me, ooh, ooh, ooh. Yeah, brick by brick, now let me, ooh, ooh, ooh. I wanna be right there by your side, I wanna be there, won't you be mine? Take down your walls and let me, yeah, brick by brick, now let me, ooh, in my bed 5 to 12, wish I could sleep. Dream about all the ways you could reach me, but now you keep missing out on me, that's for sure. Take down your walls and let me, ooh, ooh, ooh. Yeah, brick by brick, now let me, ooh, ooh, ooh. I wanna be right there by your side, I wanna be there, won't you be mine? Take down your walls and let me, yeah, brick by brick, now let me, won't you be mine? Won't you be mine? Won't you be mine? Wide awake is the way that you left me. I wanna be by your side. I wanna be by your side.
All right, you guys, so my camera died, but I got the cabinets how I want them for now, and I got rid of so much. I'm gonna show y'all what I got rid of. It's also some other stuff in this bag, but this stuff got to take downstairs. But this bag is full of all that nonsense Tupperware in there. So I'm gonna show y'all what it looks like now. It looks more organized. So I gotta make sure the hubby and the kids like grab what they need and don't mess up. Grab what they need and don't mess up the rest of it. So I kind of put like all the tops with all of them, and hopefully we can keep it this way. And then glass up here, and then this is just like the kids popcorn bowls, trays, little summer cups, water bottles, the little caddy for like entertaining. We put the ketchup napkins, all that kind of stuff in there, and just some little entertainment bowls. And then while I was waiting on the camera to charge, I just went down here and kind of organized. I gotta get some liners down here. I never got any, but I kind of like put the griddle here, the waffle iron here, my cake plate back there, toaster, and then the crock pot and the woks. So I was trying to just keep moving while I was waiting on the camera. So right now I'm gonna get ready and start wiping the cabinets down, sweep the floor so I can attempt to scrub it.
Everybody's been saying that you're up to no good. Everyone has been telling me that you got me hooked. You're playing it big time. You're feeding me lies. Everyone has been bugging me to sever the ties. But I would never, ever, ever would have believed them. No reason. Sometimes the truth is hard to see. But now the never, ever, ever seemed to be over. I saw her, so I'm happy I got freed. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. I won, got it done. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Lucky, lucky, lucky. I won't let the door hit when I leave. Should've known by your rap sheet that you weren't nice, but now I am telling you I'm going to smile. But I would never, ever, ever would have believed them. No reason. Sometimes the truth is hard to see. But now the never, ever, ever seemed to be over. I saw her, so I'm happy I got freed. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. I won, got it done. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Lucky, lucky, lucky. I won't let the door hit when.
So y'all, what I'm gonna do now is just take some Method degreaser and just like spray it on some of these tough areas that I see. And then that way to break up whatever that is, I don't know what that is, in my floor. And then that way I can start scrubbing. Around the refrigerator, water stains, these areas. So basically I've just gotten some floor cleaner in here and some very hot water that I'm gonna use to scrub the floor. guys, I worked up a sweat when I tell you. So I finished scrubbing the floors. A lot of it you didn't see. It took me a long time actually, like my arms hurt and everything. And then I went back over it. I think you saw a couple clips of that, of, you know, with the mop. So I am done, you guys. Doing that part, and then once the floor dry, I'm gonna put the kitchen back together, and then I will show you guys the finished product. So while doing that though, I noticed that I need to have another deep cleaning video of my baseboards and my trim. And I'm gonna have to do that room by room, but I'll probably start doing a segment of deep cleaning, sort of like that, because this white is so much white throughout the house to where over time you don't realize how grimy it can get. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed. I hope that it gave you some motivation to get up and get something done around your home. If it did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe, you guys, if you have not, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.